Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a professional welcome channel in Discord. A welcome channel is the first thing new members see when they join your server. A great welcome channel makes your server look more inviting, engaging, and professional. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a dedicated welcome channel, set up automated welcome messages, make stylish welcome embeds using Carlbot, auto-assign roles to new members. Let's get started. First, let's create the welcome channel where new members will be greeted. Open Discord and go to your server. Click the plus button next to text channels to create a new channel. Name the channel something like Welcome and Introductions. Now, your welcome channel is set up and ready for automation. To make your welcome channel more interactive, let's set up automatic welcome messages using Dyno. Open Discord and go to your server. Click on your server name, top left corner. Select App Directory from the drop-down. Search for Dyno. Click Dyno, then press Add App. Grant the bot necessary permissions and select your server, enabling free welcome messages with Dyno. Go to dyno.gg, click on Manager Servers, choose your server. On the Dyno dashboard, locate the Welcome module and enable it. Choose the channel where welcome messages should appear, e.g., welcome. Customize your welcome message with dynamic placeholders. For example, welcome user to server. We're happy to have you here. Check out rules and introduce yourself. User mentions the new member. Server displays your server name. Click Update and Dyno will now automatically send welcome messages. Plain text messages look okay, but let's make it look way better using Carlbot's embedded welcome messages. Go to your server's app directory and add Carlbot. Type /embed create in your welcome channel. Customize your embed message. Title, Welcome to Server. Description, we're so glad you joined us. Make sure to check out rules and introduce yourself in introductions. Color, choose a color that matches your theme, e.g., your 3498DB for blue. Choose the channel where you want the message to be posted and hit enter. Carlbot will send a beautiful embedded message in your welcome channel. Now your welcome messages look professional and eye-catching. Want to make joining even smoother? Let's automatically assign roles to new members so they don't have to do it manually. Go to the Dyno dashboard. Find and enable the Auto Role module. Select the role you want to assign, e.g., member. Click Add, and now every new user will automatically receive the role. This makes onboarding easier and keeps your server organized. And that's it. Now you know how to make an awesome welcome channel in Discord that looks professional and engaging. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.